Now we have applied the 50 IP address and we are not getting any error message from the router, because we have applied everything is okay, there is nothing wrong. Now we have applied the 50 IP address. Now we are going to apply the next IP address to R1 serial 0. 199.10.20. Let's say 51/24. As we enter the command, this router will generate one error. NID of serial 0 overlap with Ethernet. Why this information is coming? Because whenever we apply any IP address on the network device, any host that works on the IP address, that host will calculate its NID whenever we will apply the IP address. As we will apply the IP address on the Ethernet, router will calculate the NID, and NID will display via show IP route, this one. Whenever we will apply the IP address on the serial, R1 router will again calculate the NID, and when R1 router calculate the NID and the NID of the serial and the Ethernet is same, it will display this message, because the function of the router is to provide connectivity between different NIDs. The main principle of router was, at the time we have designed the router, the principle was different NID per port. Router works on this principle, different NID per port. It's the basic principle of the router. Indirectly, router is saying, I will not work with you, because at the time of the designing, you said to me, we will apply the different NID per port, and you are misguiding me, and you are applying the same NID on my serial port also as you applied on the Ethernet. I will not work with you. Our task is failed. We cannot achieve our goal. Then what will happen in that phase? We can communicate the different location machine or not? Yes, we can communicate the different location machine, but we require the more IP address. How much IP address we require? R1, R2. We required the separate NID for each segment. We required 50 IP address in R1 lane. We required 25 address in R2 lane. We required 2 IP address between R1 and R2. We required 3 NID of class C. For this segment, let's say we applied 199.10.20.0/24. We cannot use rest of the IP address in this scenario. (212.1982.0/24). We are using only 2 IP address, and 252 IP address is unused. We cannot use anywhere in this diagram. And 211.1.2.0/24, we can use only 25 IP address, and we cannot use rest of the IP address. Our requirement was 77 IP address, less than 1 NID of class C, but due to the lack of the technology, because the technology was not exist at that time from 1983 to 1985, that's why we are purchasing 3 NID of class C. Two major drawback. One is wastage of IP, because technology is limited. We have the 4.3 billion IP address totally, but we are not using the 4.3 billion. We are using only ABC, only 3 classes. Lot of the NIDs and lot of the BIDs we are not using. We are using the valid IP address, and after that, from 1983 to 1985, we want to design the network. We are unable to design the network in a proper way. Wastage of the IP address was the major problem, and the another problem was wastage of money. After 1985, after mid of 1985, we have designed some techniques to save the money, because we are paying the money to ISP for 3 class C NIDs, and after paying the money, we cannot use the IP address in proper way. After the 1985, we have designed some techniques like the subnetting and VLSM, NAT, PAT and private IP address, so that we can save the money and save the IP address.